ready.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have got the Varsha here. The topic of the debate is love marriage or arranged marriage, which is better? Hana? Varsha, what do you think?
So I think love marriage is better because I think marriage is something where we choose a person for life and
Correct.
we spend our whole life with them. And I strongly believe that love is important in any relationship.
I agree. I agree.
And love is something that supports you in any situation, sir. So I take side of love marriage, and marrying someone we love is I think a good decision.
Very good.
Cause in arranged marriage, sir, we don't know about anything. Matlab, we don't know anything about our
That
partner.
particular person. And suddenly he
Yes,
or
sir.
she becomes our partner in our life. And then
Yes,
sometimes
sir.
so
And
spoils the life.
and 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 we sacrifice matlab, many things we sacrifice for them, and we have to adjust
Correct.
ourselves, sir. So
In my opinion. Speak, speak.
uh,
So, in my
yes,
opinion,
sir. In my opinion, love marriage is better.
is that
Actually, best, I think.
is that enough, Varsha?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Thank you so much.